Welcome. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Book4, and in this video I will show you how to set passwords in BIOS on this laptop. First of all, enter BIOS by pressing the power button once and then start pressing F2 button repeatedly until you see the BIOS menu on your screen. Now, in BIOS, using your touchpad to navigate, open the security section, and here you'll be able to set supervisor password, and once you set a supervisor password, you'll be able to set a user and HDD passwords. Now, the supervisor password prevents other users from accessing your BIOS menu, and if you click right here, you'll have to enter a new password which has to contain at least 8 characters, one uppercase character, one lowercase character, and I think these are all the requirements. And one number, yes, I forgot it. Okay, so if you click set supervisor password and come up with the password for your BIOS menu, of course you have to remember it, because otherwise you won't be able to recover it. And once the supervisor password is set, you'll be able to set the user password and the HDD password, which have the same requirements, and the user password prevents other users from accessing your system at boot, and the HDD password will prevent other users from accessing your hard drive completely on the BIOS level, which means that in case you forget this password and would want to access your hard drive on this PC, you'll have no other choice but to replace the hard drive and to insert it into the other laptop. So be careful with all of these passwords. Now, the user password, if I didn't mention it, controls access to your system, which means that every time you enter the system, you'll have to enter the user password on this laptop. And now, if you want to erase one of these passwords, you'll have to click on one of these options for the password that you want to erase, then enter the current password, leave both other fields empty, and press OK. And if you want for this password to start working, you'll have to switch this toggle to the left to turn it on, and to turn the passwords off, switch this toggle to the right. And basically that's how you use passwords, BIOS passwords on your Galaxy Book4. So, and the one last thing, if you want to save changes, you have to press F10 and press OK, and only after that will the changes apply. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.